Peter here, and today with the unboxing of a Sony Smart TV. It's a Sony Bravia Smart TV. It's a 32-inch television, about 80 centimeters in diagonal. So basically it's a basic Smart TV. It doesn't have Android TV or stuff like that, just some apps like YouTube and Netflix you're going to see. And well, this is the box. It looks the same on the other side. And this also from the top. Okay, so let's cut it open. Okay, so what's inside? Some paperwork, throw that around. The power brick. The nice thing about this television is that it has a power brick, so in case you have like a power outage and the voltage goes up too high, it is going to die this power brick. You can buy another one from the internet, but it's not going to damage your TV. So this will be the sacrifice box of the TV. This is the metal stand. Well, it's not metal, it's plastic and... oh no, it has metal inside, just covered in plastic. We're going to mount that later. Then it's the remote. It has a dedicated YouTube button and a dedicated Netflix button. And it's the usual Sony remote. If you have another Sony television, it's going to be fine. And now let's take it away. Be careful with the screen, not to crack it. I'll put this aside. So let's be careful. Well, this is the TV itself, covered in a plastic bag, in order for not to scratch itself. Yeah, so this is the TV. It's 80 centimeters across, or 32 inches. It has a resolution of 1366 by 7068, I think. This is high HD rating, so it's not full HD, it's not HD, it's somewhere in between. But it's going to be fine since all television broadcast only in HD. And let's see what's in the box. As well, I'm going to put this carefully somewhere else. So there's some paperwork, I think in every language possible. Some screws. This is an audio jack. It goes from normal audio jack to optical audio jack, if you have stereos with optical in. And well, I don't think anybody will read this. You're better off trying it yourself, and yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you another day.